What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 3 of How to Improve Your Property. If you guys have not seen episode 1 and 2, I will post them down below, and also at the end of this video, you'll see a video link for that to click on. It'll take you back to episode 1 and 2. Pay attention to this because we are going to design my own personal property on the map. I'm going to show you guys how we do it and how you can do it and how you can improve it. The first episode was the evaluation. The second episode was what to look for, how to create that thick property with chainsaw work and so forth. So let's dive right into this. Hope you guys pay attention. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. All right, guys, here's a piece of property as you guys knew I had that I was looking at on episode 1. I showed you it was wide open timber. And this is how, if I was going to a client, this is how I would design this property. It's a very short version of what I would actually do, but here it goes. So the property line is roughly right here, basically around this entire area right there. Okay, that's the property line. The first thing, the main road comes down this way, goes back into here. Okay, all of this area through here is all cattails, huge cattail swamp. This is all going to be untouched. This is all cattails all through here. Okay, all cattails. That's going to stay that way because that's all good bedding areas. The deer will go up in there and bed as needed. Okay, that's all cattails. That's the first step. That is bedding. Okay, this is bedding. All right, the next thing I would do is there needs to be a road cut around the property line, around the edges, cut in all the way to about this point here. That needs to be a road put in. That way we can walk down this road. We can walk down this road, and then if need be, we can cut in to stands. Okay? And we'll get into that as well. The next step is this old field here is going to be converted to a food plot. Oh, sorry. This is going to be a food plot right here. It's about a 1 acre food plot. Okay, so that's going to get shaded in there into a food plot. Okay, bam. Next step is there's going to be a tree stand right here, and then a tree stand right there. Okay, the access to those stands are going to be down that road that we put in. Cut to that one, and bam, cut to that one. So that's going to be your 2 tree stands hunting the food plot. Along this food plot, there's going to be some edge feathering through here. There's going to be some edge feathering right through here and along here. And also around through here. Okay, this area here is going to be left open for deer to come in. And this area here is going to be left for deer to come in. All right, this edge feathering here is to allow us to get into this stand here without being seen, and the same thing there without being seen. Okay, so we can draw deer out of this cattail swamp through here, all through here as well. Okay, so that's 1 acre food plot. Bam. Okay, that's the first step into this process on this property here. The next step is over here. This is a pine thicket. This pine thicket is going to be cleared, semi-cleared out to allow more sunlight. So we may be taking every third pine tree out or so, just to open this area up. That'll give it more sunlight to regenerate. Okay? The next step is we are going to put a stand with access right here and right here. And then also we're putting in a food plot right here, which is going to be another 1 acre plot. Okay? With access coming off the main road there. Another stand there. And then back up in here is going to be pockets of bedding all through here, all through here, here, here. This is going to be edge feathered there. And then all this is going to be hinge cut through here. And then there's going to be travel routes. That's most of the deer are traveling through here anyway, but there's going to be travel routes all through here that's connected and all through here like this. Okay, this is all bedding, so we can force these deer into this stand or into this food plot, and then added in is going to be another stand here, another stand here to catch the movement all through the trails. Remember, all this is bedding as well. We can draw the deer out all through here, and then over here is all going to be pockets of bedding to open up the timber to allow more food. Then there's going to be another stand right there, another stand right here. Hopefully this is all coming together for you guys. And that's basically it for this property. There's going to be some more detail work up through here, some more detail work coming through here, some travel routes, so forth. There's going to be some specific, like these bedding pockets are going to be, cleared out, hinge cut, clear cut in some areas, TSI, whatever you want to call it, but they're just going to be opened up for more food value. This food plot here will be amazing. This food plot here will be amazing. And it's a great plan. But this is just one example of what you guys could do and how to set things up. Hopefully this makes sense to you. But again, just to summarize, turn this to blue. We're using the perimeter of the property through a road that we're cutting in to access these stands. It would make no sense to walk through the middle to get to nothing. You're going to spook everything out. Leave this core area alone and they can go to the food plots, right? That's the idea behind that. And then the same thing here. We don't want to walk through the center of this woods to get to nothing. We're going to walk the edges to get to these stands. So that's how you have to approach this. You need sunlight through these areas. You need food. You need bedding as well, all through here, and you access around the perimeter. Leave the cattails alone because they are amazing areas for deer to bed when the pressure is on. Hopefully this makes sense. Any comments, any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.